Come on, let's begin. Shall we go?
Hello.
Today we have completed our shooting,
Hello.
so
Good evening,
this is the last
Good
time that
evening.
we are together.
Good evening, guys.
Yes, good evening, good morning.
Good morning for tomorrow.
Okay, good morning for tomorrow. Now it is already शाम हो गया ना इसलिए good morning for tomorrow. So this is the last time, the last chance. Writer, thank you so much, Yat.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
coming.
so much. Thank you so much. Because of you only we could able to finish, and it will be a
all
successful
because
one.
of
Because
me.
of you only. Yes,
I am the best.
Yes, you are the best. Because of you only we could able to finish, and it will be a successful one. So thank you, bro, man. And then here is our singer. In last video too, I have uploaded this video. Good night. Good night. And I give them all. Okay, hey. Working with our director, we learn some Manipuri language like Yare, Lao. Yes, I learned. I will be always hero.
He's going to be funny, but he's a hero.
Yes, I will be the hero. I will always be the hero.
Some heroes are just funny.
Because I don't want to go there. That is I need to block. Okay, here is the strongest man. There is the strongest man. He may go. Yes. Bye bye. Today is my last day.
Okay.
To spend a time with you. So, is there any word for me?
Sure, I have so many words, but I don't know if I will able to express them all.
Okay, just tell me. Not for my viewers, okay? I just want to.
Oh, just to you,
Yes,
not
just
to your
for me,
viewers.
yes.
I shouldn't look at the screen, right then?
Okay, we don't need to look at the screen.
I just want to say that you are one of my favorite zeme YouTuber.
Okay.
And then your contents are so much interesting. I do watch them every day, and you must be seeing my comments in many videos of yours.
Okay.
I just want to say, may your channel continue to grow as you continue to entertain people, and I really appreciate it. That's all I want to say, and stay happy and fine always. Stay strong, man.
Okay, how do you feel being accompanying with me?
You're funny.
I'm funny.
One thing is that you're more funny in reality than in your videos. That's what I want to say, man.
Okay, thank you so much.
That's
So it's
what I
time
like
to say
about you, huh?
it's time to say goodbye. So see you again. If God will, we'll meet it again.
We'll
If
meet
not,
again. We'll meet again.
if
man.
not, if I die, sorry, I'm not going to die.
You will never die, man.
Okay.
YouTubers don't die.
YouTuber never die. Okay, friend, stay safe, be strong, don't cry. Though I'm going to leave you, never cry, huh? Hap solo noi. Ibam lo noi.
Ibam noi.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So, Obidia, how do you feel accompanying with me? Because it's time to say goodbye.
English
Tomorrow we are leaving. Tomorrow tak kuda suya.
I don't know English. I know only zeme.
You no understand.
I is not understanding any English.
You understand that good dear one. My is you say English asking. You no understand that you say that do okay. Ang atu I ke company te wang baga. Nang gan kau experience dah, tak gan kau idang kau palo.
Nang good jokes.
Aku jokes semua. Aku jokes semua. Kau dah kau.
Nang tu experience pelang behe. Hatai batum ta wang video lu mai. Dong, batum ga wang video tu lo na macam mana? Dan lai gua tei batum ga tei kau tu misi pelu dia nampia mak gua he. Kampi batum ga tu.
Apa gua experience dah kau pakai mau.
So that day I was like, oh,
Okay.
so
Anang hang gan kau sama sai ni bela me. Aku bibar sama pa hang ya. Tomai takut dah sih, ni ngau tahu dah sih. Tidak hang sam cat sai ni bela me.
Acha, sama pipa deh na sa simak biga, mau tu sa tu kalau lepas tu, nang tunggu lu tiki sang dah, jangan apa vlog tu berapa, as miluan sang sang le, nang nui hang zina apa, hakau tu kele sablu le vlog tu nang kami kama.
Kai lah, kai.
Acha apa kai ni lo, dah nang ningo lo sih pa, saya pa le nak ke perat, pace kecil lengga perat, tun rakyat tu, ngau sang lah, bang ya pas sablu ni hang vlog tu.
Hey, napsi đây. Okay, friend, ai ra. Nãy ra anh kia chúng ta anh cái số dài cái camping tới ba mai đấy. Cái này chú lấy ra, ít mai ta cố ta cái năng, kia ba mồm cái năng đó hàng cái, câu sáng cái sai này bela me. Ông có biber sang mà cái hàng cái sam cat sam nào cái sai này bela me.
정말 밤로가 미수익 상래 힐링 히로 아이즈메 필람 타라 항해 왕의 블로그 미수익 상 맘래 미야 แต่ปนิลุยเลยที่สั่งมาให้ซื้อจะแบบนั้นเลยดูปนิลุยสิ่งอย่างนั้นงอสั่งไอ้ลูกมันต้องมีลงวางสั่งแต่เนี่ยปนิวางบำมังไอ้บุกแกปนิเลยจะให้ซื้อบำจุนกินลงไอ้บำมันลงบ่แกมีลงมุ้ยจะบำนู้ดูปนิจุงเอาไว้แกมีเซริงแต่ก็ก็มาตะเลยเนี่ยเซริงสามแล้วปนิเนี่ยบำลอยแกกินลงไอ้บำจุนนะบำมันลงแบบปนิลุยเอาไว้แกมีสิการทับดูบำเนี่ยปนิแต่ได้หังแกมินจ้าสามเลยแต่ตีน่ะปนิซิงเดี๋ยวดูเลยติ้งเจอให้ยี่ติ้งนะเดี๋ยวจะปนิถอดตีรถได้เลยด้วยกินลงบำรถนั้นบำทอจะเสียจะบำแม่มีสิ่งสั่งแต่เล็บปนิแต่ได้จะก็ปนิบำจำเปรย์แต่ตัวนั้นก็ที่นั่งก็ได้เนี่ยนั่งก็ได้ติ้งในสิ่งไรแต่เลยมีแต่รามินจ้าสั่งได้เลย
Okay. Suy ra nãy nang ai cái wang mặc số cái nang chú xí mấy chứ bảo lo.
Thì năng xuống năng gì á xe đu năng lùi á
Xí mà video cái ngon video tê của hết. Okay. Suy sang ta nãy nang đây là lấy bấm lo. Anh đây đây ra ran lên cái tiếng bây giờ ra tàu đại lên nôm lên. Ra ra. Ra tên là mấy bấm lo nói. Okay, thank you so much. Suy sang ta. Bye bye. Okay. Tôi vui khai đi vùng đại gì mà cái nữa. Sai niệm đi còn niệm, cái gì cái này sẽ bắp có thể à?
Chơi cái năng ngon là hành ý bằng lòng mày ngốc gì đồng người xí ngon cái hành ý chơi không trả lệ mà.
Hey, you see that. I made one of my subscriber. And here is Mr. Zozo. So, you will bye cái đồ. Bye. Zozo đi. Oh, good. Bye bye cái đồ. Bye bye. Hello friend. Hey, hayang Busti Sagrani. Theo mang đuôi.
Này mấy đôi.
Tôi tàu ra xí.
Bộ mấy đôi.
Bye bye. Friend, मैंने आज पहले बार कुछ दिखाए, सरप्राइज दिखाएंगे. ये पहले बार तमिलनाडु में सेकेंड हैंड बड़ा मिला है. देखिए बड़ा मिला है. अरे यार सरप्राइज इज रियली सरप्राइज यार. अंदर में भी मिल सकता है, वो भी सकता है. If I found, I will show you. अरे यार अच्छा लगा है. Month, so it's really sad. अरे बजाने के लिए मन नहीं कर रहा है. यूं तो तुम बहुत. Oh please, I really don't want to go away from you.
Don't cry in bazaar, man.
Okay, sorry man. But it is my duty what to do ना. मेरा काम तो करने दो भाई. बाजार होने दो, मार्केट होने दो, जो भी होने दो, साइकिल होने दो, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है भाई. Auntie and uncle. So friend, this is a gift from them. And then here is a treat. Bye. And then for this evening too, they are inviting for the dinner. I have panaru. Không có chúng ngon ngô. You think nó chúng ngon today? I get one of my fan. Nó có support cái này, mà đây là tên một cái mình là tiêu về là tiêu mà cái nó mắc bị gì cả, mình là tiêu mắc bị nó xí sang đây. Cái đó này. Anh người quăng kia ngoài ba room sang này. Kaya ranay nằm ra. Rồi, mắng đôi. Okay, mình sẽ sang đó. Hello, this is the road condition of Manipur. So I request the government to take necessary action towards it because it's really difficult for us to come across. So see you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Friend of Tamenglong. Bye bye.